Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Laureate Blank Undated Daily Planner. I already have two planners for the year 2022. The first one is the Tall Elephant Planner and the other one is the Happy Wagon Planner. I have reviewed both the planners and I have shared my setup of the Tall Elephant Planner. If you have not watched those videos, I recommend you to watch them. Links are in the description below. First thing, why did I buy this daily planner in addition to those planners? Most of the days I am juggling between a lot of things in a day and I wish to plan my day in slots of time for which the necessity of a daily planner arises. A daily planner allows me to allot each task a particular time period. Yes, this can also be done by using a phone calendar, but I would love to do it in writing rather than digitally. It's a personal preference. So let's dive in. This is the front cover of the planner. And this is the back cover. The planner is also available in other cover design. I will give you guys a walkthrough of those covers as well. Coming back to this planner, the planner has one satin ribbon bookmark and it is hardbound. It has this beautiful floral cover design going on with live, laugh and love written for this particular cover design. It is an A5 sized planner and it has got 224 pages which are 90 GSM in thickness. And also this is a 6 months planner. This is how the first page looks like. In this page we have space provided to write our name and other personal details if needed. At the very beginning of the planner, with the examples, they have shown us how to use this planner, and I really appreciate this. So here we have the monthly planner. Since this is an undated planner, you can jot down the month and the date in the boxes provided. There is also space provided for notes, and then we have the monthly goal section to jot down the goals for that month, and we have the monthly review section where you can jot down things that went well and the things to improve. Here you can keep the appointments, meetings, birthdays, deadlines and reminders in one easy to see place. So we have 6 monthly planners in total. After which we have the weekly planning section. Here we can write down the top tasks for the week, for each day, and we can also break down our monthly goals to weekly goals. There is also a habit tracker and weekly review section where you can write down the best moments of the week, things that went well and things to improve. We next go to the daily planner. At the top of the page, we have space provided to write the date, and then we can tick the day of the week. Then we have the gratitude section for top 3 priorities, affirmations, to-do list. We have space for plans and schedules with time slots provided. We have the note section. We can track our water intake, meals, exercise, and also note down how our day went and rate the day out of 10. At the bottom of each of the page, we have a unique inspiring quote. Let me now give you a close-up of the daily planner page. After 7 of these daily planning pages, we have the weekly planner page once again. The similar pattern of pages continues throughout the planner. Now coming to the price of the planner, this planner is priced at 499 rupees and is available on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description below. Now coming to the pros and cons of the planner. Pros: considering that it is an undated daily planner, it is very handy. Personally, I felt the daily planner has all of the necessary sections. It has time slots where I can block the time according to my schedule, and it gives me more clarity on the number of hours available to do my daily chores and other things to do in between. As I'm a freelance music teacher, I have a particular time slot for each batch of students. So a planner having a time slot is a bonus for me. I also love that they have included sections for gratitude, affirmation, meal and water tracker, to-do list, note section, and also space has been provided for daily review. Also having a monthly planning section and a weekly planning section with space provided for monthly goals and weekly goals as well as reviews is a huge bonus. The planner is A5 size and it is easy to carry it. It is not very heavy, neither is it too bulky. Coming to the cons, I just wish the planner was more colorful rather than just being black and white. But then yeah, I can use stickers and color pens to make it look more colorful. But I also wish the pages were a bit thick, at least above 100 GSM, because then I could use any type of pen on the planner without worrying if the ink will bleed to the other side. Other than that, I would highly recommend this planner, especially if you're someone who like me who has to work in time slots, or someone who has too much going on each of their days, so that they can juggle between the tasks and plan effortlessly. That's my take on the Lorette Blank planner. Thank you for watching, guys. Namaste.